ADVANTRIO Packaging is based in China and committed to better packaging. After being molded out, PET preforms are being carried by advanced servo manipulator from molds to conveyor belt. The conveyor belt carries the preforms from injection molding machine to high-speed blow molding machine. Fully electric-driven mechanism ensures both high-speed operation and precise locating. The enhanced high-power heating lamp has a 20% increased heating efficiency and is equipped with cooling devices to prevent neck deformation. Linear structure makes machines run in a stable manner and brings about stable products quality. High-performance machines ensure products quality always stays at a high level. Experienced inspectors check each product to make sure that its quality is up to standard. Central material feeding system and clean production environment lays a solid foundation for keeping products quality stable.